How to start a flooring installation business. This video is designed to help you plan and start a flooring installation business. At the end of the video you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just passionate about floors, this step-by-step guide will help you get started on the right foot. So, let's jump right in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, it's important to do some groundwork. Research and planning are crucial for any successful business venture. Here are the key steps to consider. Step 1. Research and planning. Begin by identifying your target market and conducting a thorough market analysis. Look at local competition, customer needs, and pricing trends. This information will help you understand your potential customers and how to differentiate yourself in the market. Once you have a good understanding of the market, it's time to create a business plan. Define your business structure, set goals, and outline your marketing and financial strategies. This plan will serve as your roadmap and help you stay focused as you move forward. Step 2. Legal and financial considerations. Now that you have a solid plan, it's time to address the legal and financial aspects of your business. First, choose a name for your business and register it with the appropriate local authorities. Next, determine your business structure, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or limited liability company. Consult with an attorney or a business advisor to ensure you make the right choice. Additionally, it's essential to establish a business bank account to keep your personal and business finances separate. This will make accounting and tax reporting much easier. Speaking of taxes, consult with a tax professional to understand your tax obligations as a business owner. Step 3. Skills and training. To excel in the flooring installation business, you need to have the necessary skills and knowledge. While some experience in the field is beneficial, ongoing training is equally important. Consider attending training programs or workshops offered by flooring manufacturers, industry associations, or trade schools. These programs will enhance your skills, keep you up to date with the latest techniques and products, and provide you with certifications that can boost your credibility. Step 4. Tools and equipment. A flooring installation business relies heavily on having the right tools and equipment. Investing in quality tools will not only make your job easier but also reflect your professionalism. Research and identify the essential tools for your trade, such as a power saw, nail gun, measuring tape, and knee pads. Additionally, make sure to have an adequate supply of safety equipment, including gloves, safety glasses, and dust masks. Investing in reliable tools and equipment from reputable brands will ensure longevity and efficiency in your work. Step 5. Marketing and networking. Now that you have your business foundation set, it's time to spread the word and start attracting customers. Create a professional website showcasing your services, portfolio, and contact information. Utilize social media platforms to share before and after photos, client testimonials, and educational content. Network with local contractors, interior designers, and real estate agents to establish mutually beneficial relationships and generate referrals. And there you have it. Starting a flooring installation business requires careful planning, acquiring the necessary skills, and investing in quality tools. Remember, it's not just about the floors, but also about providing exceptional customer service and building a strong reputation. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.